Hello everyone, I hope you were watching this right after the previous video because I made a mistake in the sense that I interpreted my last payoff system wrongly. We had agreed on it differently and I even wrote it on the web page differently, but for some reason I was not paying attention. Remember, the payoff was not calculated by the level, the payoff was calculated by whether you ended with a 1 or a 0. So in other words, what I have to change in this picture that we had is all the blue stuff. So let me get rid of all the blue. It's going to take me a little while, but just so that we get the correct answer. Okay, we have to recalculate all these values because the payoffs will come from, we'll see, and the leaves, when we get to the leaves. The leaves are 1 and 0, but these have different values. That's the different payoffs that these leaves have. Okay, so let's go back now to the payoffs. If you were a 0 leaf, you got $1. Now, this is the bottom two ones here are for min, which means it's a win for max. So this get positive values here. So this will get a $1, but a 1 gains you $3. Okay, so now we have to calculate the next level. We go to the level. Next level is taking maximums. So this becomes 3. Here we have it just inherits the value of its child because there's only one child. And these are now leaves and losing position for max. So here he loses $3 and here he loses $1. Okay, so now we go up. In this node here, we are taking, this level we are taking minimums. So we have to take the minimum of these 3 and 1. So this is actually only 1 now. This has for value 1. This one, what are the children here? Of 4 has 2 children, namely, these are the 2 children, right? I know, remember that this is not the actual child, but it looks like his child, and that's why we are kind of identifying them. But he has a different child, right? Because otherwise we don't have a tree. So his child, as this, has a value 1, and this has -3, so the total value will be -3 here. Here the value, I forgot to erase this, I guess. We take in minimums, that will be -3, and here it has only one child, so it inherits that from a child, it's -1. Now we take in maximums again. The maximum of 1 and minus for 7, the one it is 1 here. For 4 and 3, they have both value -3, so the maximum is still -3. And this inherits from his only child value -1. So we again have to take minima. For 9, the childs have value 1 and -3, so this will be, minimum will be -3, and here the minimum will again be -3. And so we have to take the maximum, this is -3. So it will cost him $3 to do that. All right, so I will do a little bit more of these guys in a review quiz, but I just wanted to make sure to get this correct here. I apologize for the confusion that the previous video might have caused, but I hope you were forewarned when you started looking at it.